What is Scrum framework, and how does it work? What is the Scrum process framework? The Scrum process framework is an agile project management approach designed to facilitate the iterative and incremental development of products. What are Scrum artifacts? Scrum artifacts are essential documents or information sources that provide transparency and help in managing work within the Scrum framework. There are three primary Scrum artifacts. Product backlog. The product backlog is a prioritized list of all the work that needs to be done to create and maintain the product. Sprint backlog. The sprint backlog is a subset of the items from the product backlog that the development team commits to completing during a specific sprint. Increment. The increment is the sum of all the product backlog items that have been completed during a sprint. Benefits of Scrum methodology. Flexibility and adaptability. Scrum embraces change and allows teams to adapt to evolving requirements, market conditions, and customer feedback. Customer-centric. Scrum places a strong emphasis on delivering value to the customer. Transparency. Scrum promotes transparency by making project information visible to all team members. Increased productivity. Scrum's iterative approach often leads to higher productivity because it focuses on delivering a potentially shippable product incrementally. Early and regular feedback. Scrum encourages frequent feedback through events like sprint reviews and daily scrums. Scrum and Agile relationship explained. Scrum is a subset of Agile. Scrum falls under the umbrella of Agile methodologies. While Agile is a broader philosophy, Scrum is a specific approach that adheres to Agile principles. Scrum operationalizes Agile. Scrum provides a practical framework for teams to implement Agile principles in a structured way. It defines roles, events, and artifacts that guide the development process, making Agile principles actionable. Scrum is a popular choice for Agile. Many organizations adopt Scrum as their chosen methodology for implementing Agile practices. Scrum ceremonies or events. Sprint planning. This is a time-boxed event at the start of each sprint where the product owner and development team collaborate to select and commit to a set of product backlog items to be worked on during the sprint. Daily Scrum. Daily stand-up. A daily, time-boxed meeting where the development team synchronizes their work. Sprint review. At the end of each sprint, there is a sprint review meeting where the development team demonstrates the work completed during the sprint to stakeholders, including the product owner and possibly customers. Scrum pillars and values. Pillars. Transparency. Transparency is the first pillar of Scrum, emphasizing openness and visibility in all aspects of work. Inspection. The second pillar is inspection, which encourages regular examination of the product, processes, and progress. Values. Commitment. Scrum values commitment, particularly commitment to delivering value to the customer. Courage. Courage is the value that enables teams to confront challenges and take calculated risks. 3 essential roles for Scrum success. Product owner. The product owner is a crucial role responsible for representing the interests of stakeholders, including customers and users. Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is a servant leader for the Scrum team, focused on facilitating and coaching the team to follow Scrum principles and practices. Development team. The development team consists of cross-functional individuals who work together to deliver a potentially shippable product increment during each sprint. Scaling Scrum to multiple teams. Choose a scaling framework. Select an appropriate scaling framework, such as SAFE, LESS, or Nexus, that aligns with your organizational goals and context. Coordinate product ownership. Ensure product ownership is well coordinated across teams, either by creating a product owner team or designating a chief product owner to maintain a unified product backlog. Facilitate cross-team collaboration. Organize regular Scrum of Scrums meetings to facilitate cross-team collaboration, share information, and address dependencies. Conclusion. In conclusion, Scrum is a powerful framework for agile project management and product development that emphasizes transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Its 3 pillars of transparency, inspection, and adaptation, along with its 5 core values of commitment, courage, focus, openness, and respect, provide a strong foundation for teams to deliver value to customers effectively.